Not getting that award, huh?
No.
Yeah.
Shocker.
What a crazy.
Weekend
Yeah,
when
it's
this
just
came out, I was like, what?
unbelievable. But you know, you heard Magic Johnson say, you've heard LeBron and Michael Jordan, all these guys, the icons of the NBA, have
Right.
spoken out about it. There's no place in basketball, NFL,
Any sport.
whatever,
Anywhere.
in society. And the fact that, you know, playing professional sports, I started thinking about when I was with the Giants and playing for Wellington Mara and Mr. Bob Tisch, you know, guys that outstanding owners. I mean, love their players. I mean, they treated us like family. It would devastate me if I have heard them, you know, make those types of comments. You know,
That's what I
believing in
want to
them.
know, like,
Yeah.
as a player, like watching, the games over the weekend after this came out, I was just like, how do you hit the court knowing that your owner feels that way about you? And I mean, you're a black man.
Yeah, well, you know, in the NBA, it's probably 85% African American
African-American,
players, and
yeah.
you know, you got a black coach, and they took off their warm up tops that, you know, and kind of threw them at half
Like
court.
a silent protest.
Yeah, and they should protest. I mean, think about it. I mean, I would have a hard time playing for this guy, and I think Doc Rivers and those guys should be able to say, you know what, man, it's alleged. I mean, you know, once we find out if in fact he did say these things, they should be able to
Alleged.
jump ship and move on. And I would not play for a guy that felt that way.
Oh, absolutely
No
not.
way. I
And
mean, there's absolutely no way I could play and sell out and put my heart on the line for someone, you know, that feels this way.
So what do you think is next though in this? Because I mean, what about the fans who've been following these players? You know, say they leave the team, then where do they go? What happens to Sterling? Like what do you see happening next from just your background in sports and something this major coming out?
The bottom line is this, Janet. The commissioner, Mr. Silver, has to do something right away.
Right.
I mean, he has to make a statement. I know he says he got to do due diligence and got to take care of stuff like that. Everybody is,
Let
you
it
know,
play out
allegedly, and he said they got to find out. But you have to right now suspend him indefinitely. Don't they do that with athletes? Athletes, something comes out,
true. They act
they
out,
suspend.
and that's
You know,
true.
and then let's do the let's go and research
true.
and let's see what happens after that. But they got to do something. He has to make a statement. And if you don't, this thing's going to blow up because the Clippers are in the playoffs right now.
Exactly.
I mean, think about the
They're
pressure
still
that they're
playing.
under. How can you go out there and play? And when they get back to L.A. and what folks they're going to protest, they're going to be outside with signs. I mean, there's going to be all kinds of stuff. The commission, Mr. Silver, got to do something right away with this whole deal because it's going to be a hot mess.
I wouldn't
if
be
not.
surprised if fans stopped showing up.
Yeah, who's
I
going?
would,
Would
I
you
would
support
not be
him?
surprised if fans stopped showing up.
Would
to
you
games.
spend your hard-earned money
Knowing that an
on
owner
a guy
feels that
that
way?
feels this way about African Americans? No, you're not going to do it. So I would protest. I would not go to the game. I would not spend my money. I would not buy a jersey. I wouldn't do anything. I mean, it's just the fact that he should not own a team, period. I mean, that's just enough said, as they said. Enough said.
Enough
he should not own a
said.
team. Again, he does deserve the right to defend himself. But if you find out that this is true, in fact, it's true, he shouldn't own a team. He should be out of the NBA. And then the Clippers, they play tonight, Janet Parker.
There is that.
And there's a 2 p.m. presser about their owner, Donald Sterling.
Right. So we're going to finally hear from NBA officials on what could possibly happen. Now, you've been doing some research, and what are some of the, I guess, things people are saying that could come from Sterling's statements?
Well, they expect it to be very harsh from the commissioner, Adam Silver. He's a guy new on the job, and of course, everybody's watching him right now. And I just was looking at some stuff, Janet, and they're saying they could impose a $1 million fine and potentially a lifetime suspension, or a $2.5 million fine or a lifetime suspension. But some may think or suggest, you know, that owners, the other owners could come together. And there is a clause in this whole negotiation deal that they could try to get him out, to make
Completely?
him right
Just
completely.
out.
There's some clause in there, even though you know, about his comments, there's a clause in there.
Wow.
It's a loophole. And I think Mark Cuban alluded to this, that they could do something. There's a slippery slope in the clauses that maybe they could force him out.
Here's my thing with
Yeah.
the fine. I mean, you're talking about the owner of a team. That fine, yeah, it sounds like a lot of money to me, the average person, but to him, that's like, is that like a slap on the wrist? I mean, for this, I
Yeah.
mean, a fine that big versus a lifetime suspension.
He needs to be out. I mean, everybody, they're going to push. And I think one way you can show that tonight, the Clippers will host Golden State in the playoffs. I think the fans, I mean, even Mark Jackson, head coach of Golden State, say, hey, we should all boycott, not the players because they got to play the game,
Right.
but the fans can make a statement by not showing up, not coming to the game. So I'm interested to see what's
How
going to
that
happen
plays out.
tonight. But there is a way that I think either he's going to be forced out some kind of way,
Right.
or he may try to relinquish control to his wife. They
Oh,
were
wow.
caught together at
Ownership
dinner.
Of the, oh, gosh.
Not the girlfriend, not the black
Right,
and the
'cause then
Mexican.
that's a whole other issue.
Right.
Not the girlfriend who leaked the audio,
Right.
but the wife
But
could
the
now
wife,
be
and
owner.
supposedly they're going through a divorce, but
Mess.
now they maybe he can give her control, or his son-in-law, they're
Right.
saying, and maybe that will be suffice for them to move on. But I don't think so. I
Well,
think
out.
watch Adam Silver this afternoon at 2:00, and he's going to make expect a harsh punishment.
Well, all eyes will be on it for
Yeah.
sure. And